I got a box. Let's open it. Goodness. Well, they just don't want you to get to it. It is. You can look, but you cannot have. All right. And now onto the sneakers themselves. At the time of filming this video, they've got about 11 different colorways. So different combination of uppers and color of soles. All the soles are the same. There's no mention of a Vibram sole, so it's their own proprietary sole. I have the cacao colorway, and the sole on that one is very durable. It's lasted me at least a year, so no complaints there. These white Premier low tops come in a Nappa leather, very soft, seems to be quite supple. There will be some breaking in to do, but nothing out of the ordinary. I gotta say, here at the back of the shoe, you can see this patch of, it looks like, I would say, suede. Just a bit of a rougher leather will help keep your foot in the shoe. Compared to the rest of the shoe here, it's lined in a nice glove leather. So, and the sole is also in leather. So that means you can wear them barefoot if you like. The laces on these are cotton laces, very durable, very nice, with metal eyelets. So I don't have any concerns about durability there. They have 4 colorways that come with leather laces. Like I said, the cacao, they do come with leather laces. I also enjoy it. They're very durable, thick leather, but most of the options come with these cotton laces. Of course, if you want, you can swap them out with leather or any other color laces you would like. The tongue, again, also full grain leather, and also leather lined on the inside. That's about it, I'd have to say. I can't wait to wear these out, and I'll let you know what I think in a few months. You know, guys, I gotta say, for this price value proposition, Thursdays are hard to beat. This video is not sponsored, but I'm very happy with their products. I have several of their boots. I have, again, the cacao sneakers. I'll do a review on those shortly, but it definitely beats anything you'll find in a store for this at this price tier. Again, full grain leather uppers, leather lined, leather laces or high quality cotton, good quality soles, and of course they're just long lasting, super comfortable. They have these shock absorbing soles, so honestly you can't go wrong. They also have a ton of different styles, colorway. If you're into high tops, they've got several models there. I definitely want to check those out. But overall, it's a fantastic product. They'll be linked in the description below if you want to get some. Take care, guys. I'll catch you in the